Linda says, should we get out of Amazon? All right, let's go talk about Amazon. Let's talk about some trading. We've been talking a lot about the platform here. Amazon, rallying higher, right? Got in, bought a call option. Let's all move our attention, focus our attention over on the daily chart. What direction has this stock been moving? Up, that would be bullish. Okay? Stock has been bullish. Okay? What day number in the day count is today's candlestick? What day number is this candlestick right here? It would be day 1. How many days does a bullish stock tend to move in the direction of a bullish trend? Three to 5. Now, I know there are people who are saying, but Bill, we're at a level of resistance, because they see this area right here as an area of resistance. I got you. Clearly, we're not going to go higher than that area right there, right? Oh, wait a minute. We already are higher than that area right there, are we not? Guys, this is not an area of resistance until what happens? Right now, this is a potential area of resistance, but we never count today's candlestick in determining those 2 points of contact. This is an area of price activity. The stock has failed here before. Anybody ever seen a stock do this? Anybody ever seen? And that's the day you get out, right? Because you're like, oh, it's obviously it's going to go down. It's been there before. You get out. At the end of the day, the stock is here, retraces, comes back up here, and you're like, well, for sure it's going down now. It'll definitely go down now. Does this make sense? We do not determine this as an area of resistance until it fails there, until we start to go down there. And quite frankly, this does not even become a known area of resistance until we go below the middle of the M, if that's what it's going to create. Fact of the matter is that we may be pulling back a little bit here and might rally or go sideways or slightly higher, don't know, but end up just above that area of resistance tomorrow, and that will attract buyers into the stock, and that would just be nothing more than a pullback and a breakout above an all-time high. So just because we're here is no reason to get out of the trade. The fact of the matter is that this stock may continue to run. Nobody knows how far it's going to go, and so we're going to treat it accordingly. Where's our stop? Depending on where our entry was, as an example, if I got in on the breakout of the first 5-minute candlestick, could I use this 20 moving average as my stop? Could I use the first 5-minute candlestick as my stop? If I'm going to be in this trade for 3 to 5 days, does this little whoop right here scare me out of the trade? It shouldn't. It shouldn't. Now, if you're here watching the trade and you're babysitting this thing and you're worried about it and you're like, oh my God, I had $3,000 up here and now I've only got $2,000 down here. This trade's going against me. I better get out. And you get out with $2,000 and this trade rallies for the next 4 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't want to hear about it when we get there, right? Does that make sense? So you've got to decide before you get in a trade whether it is a swing trade or a trend trade or a day trade, right? You could make the argument because of the Fed and other catalysts potentially in the market, acting on the market, that this is a time for you to day trade only. And if you were day trading, Karen, then the exit to the trade could have been here or here, either one of these two candlesticks, because we failed to push through the upper Bollinger Band, rallied, bearish candlestick, and then started to pull back. If I'm in a not day trade, right, I'm in a swing trade or a trend trade, I'm not even looking at this. And you guys have heard me say it before, if I was not here trading with you guys, if I was not sitting in front of this computer, I likely would have bought call options on Amazon, and I might be fading Priceline depending on what the options look like. Let's go take a look at Priceline because I like the double top here.